Hello, shamanettes. It's Suzanne, the beauty shaman. You've probably noticed all the hoopla around Pamela Anderson, former Baywatch babe, not wearing makeup to fashion and television appearances. This has caused quite a stir and brought up many questions about makeup. Is it a symbol of female oppression and measuring up? Does Pamela really not wear any makeup, or are we being duped? Because of this, I have created a video where I show you not only how to create the look, but the little tricks artists use that enhance certain facial features without being noticed. As far as the other question, what do you think? Is makeup a symbol of oppression? Today's model is Pascal, and she never wears any makeup, so this is gonna be fun. Let's do it. This is Pascal. To create the no makeup look, we start with healthy, hydrated, glass-like skin. I'm giving her a gua sha facial massage to reduce inflammation, improve microcirculation, and brighten her skin. I add a little oil and use the gua sha in upward motions on her face. For a full tutorial on how to use a gua sha, see the link below on YouTube. Also, I always recommend a good soluble vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and fulvic minerals to plump and nourish the skin. No makeup doesn't mean no makeup, and especially when it comes to eyebrows. If you look closely at Pamela's makeup, she's using an eyebrow pencil. Otherwise, she would have no eyebrows with her blonde hair. On Pascal, I'm filling them in a little and extending them using a long-lasting eyebrow pencil to bring out her eyes. The trick to make this look natural is to use small strokes so that it looks like real hair and not like you filled in the eyebrows. If you have a good brow line, then for quick and natural brows, use a brow gel instead. It gives the hairs a nice lift without looking too dramatic. Yes, even Pamela Anderson has skin blemishes, but the trick is to hide them without looking made up. Using a small brush or your finger, dab either foundation or concealer on blemishes. I start with Pascal's eyes, then move to any dark spots or discolorations. With darker age and sunspots, I use concealer with my ring finger to deeply apply the product. The other thing you can do is use a tinted moisturizer. Just be sure the color matches your neck so that no one can tell you have it on. If you feel especially creative, add some highlighter under your eyes for added pop. There are a couple of wonderful tricks to have eyeliner look very natural. The eyeliner I'm using glides on like butter. It's very easy to blend and stays on throughout the day. A wonderful trick is to add a waterproof liner like this one to your waterline to bring out eye color. For example, use purple on green eyes, blue-gray on blue eyes, and green or navy on brown eyes. This is barely noticeable and really makes your eyes pop. The second trick is to apply it between your lashes with small movements, and then blend it with a soft brush. It's okay if a little color is visible as a wing or a slight blend on the outside. It's flattering and helps make your eyes stand out. I don't care what anyone says, mascara works in the no makeup look. The trick is to apply it mainly to the eyelash roots and not over apply or use too thickening of a product. With Pascal's makeup, I used a stunning rich brown shade that is thickening and lengthening. I focus on the top lashes and I don't use two coats. If you want, you can curl your lashes, as this tends to look natural and helps bring out lashes that are thin or straight. Blush is super important with this look, as we all look more refreshed with a little color. Take a cream hydrating blush formulated for mature skin so it won't become cakey, and blend it upward on your cheeks near your eyes. I like a little extra on the apple part of the cheek. Then add a little to your brow bone or even over the eyelid if it works. If you want a little color to enhance your eyes without it being too strong, blush is a great idea. You can also add some on your nose, forehead, and chin if it works with your complexion. If you look closely, in every no makeup look, the model is always wearing a little lip color. The trick here is to use a sheer natural tone with a neutral lip liner to keep it from migrating outside the lip line. I like to go slightly outside the lip line with the liner for a fuller lip look. On Pascal, she has a beautiful natural lip color, so I only used a little gloss on top. The darker your skin, the stronger your shade can be. What I love about Pamela Anderson's No Makeup Revolution is that it's about freedom and doing what feels right for you. We've worked our whole lives to have the freedom to express ourselves with makeup and not to have it be oppressive or look garish. I love this look on Pascal. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.